right, this paint is done. Let's get this truck back together.
Still on track to meet our completion date of 2032. We're on track. We're just,
I forgot I wrote that.
we're just trying to pace ourselves. Slight miscalculation there.
Kerfuffle.
Seems like a miscalculation. I don't remember ever taking that off like that. It wouldn't really be a job if we didn't take things apart 5 different times. Right?
And this is why we still have not completed the truck, folks. I got it.
Put on a happy face and make it happen. Perfect. Oh, even better. One more time.
That's the other thing, kids. When you get old like Jason,
Oh.
your memory is one of the first things to go.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not how it goes.
No?
Yep.
I think I got it on the wrong side. I'm pretty sure I got this one on the wrong side. I'm pretty sure this goes over there.
Well, I think the idea was to get the foam off so we can put our new headliner on, but
Bad idea. Whose idea was this?
this is yours. I blame you.
It's all my fault. Alright guys, as you can see, it's not easy. Okay, we don't know anything about this stuff. We've never upholstered anything. Have you ever upholstered anything?
This is my first time.
My first time too. So what's that tell you guys? Just get up, get out, and get after it, and just try it, okay? There's enough videos online you can watch. Don't watch ours. Well, no, watch ours. Just don't watch ours for how-to. This is how we. You want to watch how we do it? Check us out. But again, if you want to see more of this, you want to be a part of this and make this bigger and help more people, what we really would request is that you go to our Patreon, sign up. There's 3 tiers. Become a Patreon member, become a super fan of JMR Rebuilders, and really help us show people that you can do stuff like this too. It's not that hard.
All right, so this is 3M headliner adhesive. Never used it before. It's supposed to be 30 seconds to 15 minutes. It's tacky.
So when you spray it, you want to put your hands like this and see how long.
Let's spray your hands.
No.
We'll do a test. So we're gonna spray our cardboard and then we're gonna spray our liner.
Yep.
All right, here we go, right?
Yep.
Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah, it's going to be very runny,
Here
like
we go.
fangy.
What about this? We concerned about this thing?
No. All right, guys, and on that note, we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!